Your windows play a bigger role in your home than you might think. They influence energy efficiency, comfort, curb appeal, noise levels, and even your property value. If your windows are outdated or underperforming, they could be costing you more than you realize. For homeowners in McLean, where seasonal temperature shifts can be significant, investing in replacement windows can make a noticeable difference. Here are the key signs it may be time to upgrade your windows, and why acting sooner rather than later can benefit your home and your budget. Rising energy bills. Have your heating and cooling costs steadily increased without a clear explanation? Old or inefficient windows are often a major culprit. Drafty frames and single-pane glass allow conditioned air to escape while letting outdoor air seep in. During hot McLean summers and chilly winters, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help reduce heat transfer. This not only stabilizes indoor temperatures but can also significantly lower your monthly utility bills. Noticeable drafts or temperature changes. If you feel a cold draft when standing near your windows in winter, or excessive heat radiating through them in summer, it's a clear sign of failing insulation. Even small leaks around window frames can compromise your home's comfort. Replacement windows provide tighter seals and improved insulation technology. Once installed, you'll likely notice fewer hot and cold spots throughout your home. A more consistent indoor climate makes everyday living more comfortable for your family and guests. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it could indicate warped frames, balance issues, or long-term wear and tear. Beyond inconvenience, this can also create safety concerns, especially in emergency situations where quick exits are necessary. New replacement windows operate effortlessly and often include enhanced safety features. Upgrading ensures functionality, security, and peace of mind. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, condensation between panes, or water damage are all red flags. Once moisture infiltrates your windows, it can lead to mold growth, structural issues, and further deterioration. Foggy glass, in particular, suggests a broken seal in double-pane windows. When the insulating gas escapes, the window loses its efficiency. Rather than continuing to repair aging windows, replacement is often the more cost-effective long-term solution. Excess outside noise. McLean homeowners value comfort and tranquility. If outside traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity seems louder than it should, your windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Modern replacement windows are built with advanced glazing that reduces noise infiltration. This can dramatically improve the quietness of your indoor environment, creating a more relaxing space for work, rest, and family time. Outdated appearance. Windows have a major impact on your home's curb appeal. If they look dated, faded, or mismatched, they may be detracting from your property's overall aesthetic. New windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more contemporary design, replacement windows can instantly refresh your home's exterior and interior appearance. This upgrade can also boost resale value if you plan to sell in the future. High maintenance requirements. Older wooden windows often require frequent scraping, painting, and sealing to prevent deterioration. If maintaining your windows feels like a constant chore, newer materials like vinyl or fiberglass may be a better option. Replacement windows are designed for durability and low maintenance. Many resist warping, peeling, and fading, saving you time and long-term upkeep costs. Making the smart investment. Replacing your windows is more than a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in your home's efficiency, comfort, and value. If you're noticing drafts, rising energy bills, operational issues, or visible damage, it may be time to explore replacement windows in McLean. By upgrading now, you can enhance your living environment, reduce energy waste, and enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable home for years to come.